So, everybody, I'm just working out with a new hairstyle. Today, we'll be making a fried chicken. It's very easy, but I don't like to make it because it makes the whole kitchen greasy. Since today someone is helping to clean up, I thought I'll make it with the help of my cousin. Now we're gonna cut the chicken, but as you can see we have pine cones and fruits and more fake fruits that we're not gonna use today. So to cut the chicken, you just cut the chicken. I wanted to get the one that's boneless and skinless, but somehow I got the one with the bone. It's a boner. So you just have to work your way through. This is a bad knife, but eventually you'll end up with just the meat. If you have a sharper knife, it should be easier. And if your chicken does not look like a very pretty, wholesome piece of chicken, it's okay because we're gonna cut into smaller pieces eventually. You'd want your chicken to be this big. So they will be fully marinated, and when you fry them, they won't be very chewy or become tough because they've been cooked for a very long time. Hello. So I've just added a bunch of condiments, like my old friend laoganma, soy sauce, vinegar, and I use garlic powder because I'm lazy this time. My hands are clean. We're gonna mix it. And oh, I've added sichuan pepper, so it's quite numbing but tasty. Anyways, I'm done. See you in the kitchen where we're gonna coat it and fry it. So we just fried. We're gonna test it.